Hey guys, Louie here with a couple things this morning. I thought I'd start off with a review of the silver chart and then move on to a cool unboxing I got with a very unique new Norfed round, Liberty Dollar round, and a couple other quick things. So let's get going. This is the week in review for the SLV, which trades about $1 less than the actual spot price of silver. But we certainly had a retest of some of the strength here around 1640 on the SLV, and a nice breakout upwards of $17 on the SLV, and looks like we have a pretty good floor here around 1680. Now we see that it continues to try to push back up. In my experience, when there are multiple pushes like this, there's one push up to 17, there's another push up to 17, another push up to 17, yet another push up to 1690 something. It looks like it is gaining energy to break through. So that is my prediction. I know there's some talk about it going lower, but I think we've set a floor in here. If it were to do anything, it could drop back to 1675 and fill that gap. But I think it's going to push back through for another run up, and that's how I'm betting right now on the SLV for another push back up. Seems to me like we're getting ready to make that move over it. I know that the markets, the economy is touted as being strong. And the Fed has delayed any further moves on the interest rates. The other thing I've been watching is platinum. All right, here you have in front of you the PPLT. See if I can get that symbol for you. PPLT, Aberdeen Standard Platinum ETF. And I would defy you to explain why it is that platinum has made this dramatic move, and it was around 83. I've only got a 5-day chart here, but again, platinum moves more radically and more. It tends to exaggerate the moves of the SLV because it's more speculative. However, it's also at a low. But you guys all know platinum is breaking out again, and so if silver was going lower and gold was going lower from here, why would platinum, the PPLT, be hitting 90? Right? And we had a fallback, but still substantially strong chart, has a nice ascending line here, upward trend. So if we thought silver and gold were crashing back to support, I don't think platinum would be up here in the stratosphere again, ready to make new intermediate highs. Let me go back to a year chart. And of course, we had this blow off when silver hit 1950 or something. But we're not seeing anything like the recent lows. Not even 83. I wanted to re-enter this position around 83, and I got a little nervous when it hit 84, and I couldn't get back to 83. So I did not do that. But look at these solid green bars. Not a lot of volume here, but certainly not a lot of down volume either. So I think this movement in platinum tells us that both silver and gold have a good probability of moving higher rather than lower. So that's all I wanted to say about the charts. I'm still long on my SLV and my gold, and certainly my physical stack as well. Now let me show you what I picked up. Okay. Well, hey guys, okay, so as promised, here's my unboxing of a brand new Liberty Dollar produced by the son of Bernard von Nothaus in association with his Liberty Dollar Crypto series, LD2. I can't comment on the crypto because I never was able to buy any, and I'm not sure how that's doing, but he recently sent me an email indicating that the rounds that were the support or the collateral for the LD2 crypto, they were convertible. The crypto was convertible into silver, and but I'm not sure how that exercise went for him. I never was able to to buy the crypto ultimately. But these are the rounds that the crypto is convertible into. He's now selling them direct to the public. I'll put the link below if you'd like to pick some up. I think they are unusual and perhaps rare. I'm not quite sure. So let's take a look at what I bought. So these are the 20th anniversary Liberty Dollar for physical delivery. They were $32 a piece, and shipping was $9, and there was a credit card fee as well. I believe I bought 11. I'm not sure why I bought 11, but that's what I bought. So here they are. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, Liberty Dollars. You know I'm a big Liberty Dollar collector, and some of these coins, especially the error coins and so forth, can bring several $100s. But mostly I'm a collector of these. I like the concept. I like Bernard, and I like the quality of the rounds. Typically they're pretty darn good. I believe he is having these minted by Sunshine Mint. And Liberty Dollar has always, oh gosh, let's get a better view. Liberty Dollar has always had a proof-like quality, so I don't mind spending $32 on these. And like I said, they could prove to be rare or not. I'm really not sure. Here is, let's see, this one says 20th anniversary for sound money, $25 MSRP. Notice it doesn't say, well, it does say $25, but the MSRP is not a currency value, so I don't think Electra is going to jail for that. BVNH for Bernard, a nod to his father, not to be used as currency, although it does back the LD2 cryptocurrency. There is the obverse. Bernard's beautiful wife was the model for the obverse, same obverse on all Liberty Dollars. Actually, that's not true. There are some that are a little different, but the vast majority. So 1998 to 2018. And I can't read the small print there. Perhaps you can. But nice quality on that. It's just strictly a collectible, but it is backed by $18 of silver. And again, if you ever did buy the LD2 crypto, how'd you do with that? I think it might have dropped in value when the bottom came out of the crypto market about a year ago. So he may have had trouble getting that off the ground. I'm really not sure. I haven't checked for a while. I'm a neophyte when it comes to crypto, so it didn't work out for me. There we go. So wonderful to have these in the collection. I'm not sure how readily available they were. In the beginning, the only way to get them was to buy the crypto by purchasing it with Ethereum and then asking for a redemption. So I'm glad to see that we are able to get these without buying the crypto at this point. But the plan was to redeem the crypto to get these. Yeah, beautiful quality, as you would expect. Okay, so those are my Liberty Dollars, 20th anniversary Liberty Dollars. Let me know if you're interested in that, or whether it's just too esoteric. The other thing I do is I do stack cash, but here's something cute that I found. I'm just not getting a good focus today. I was going through these $100 bills for errors and so forth, and check this out. Check out the serial number. Yeah, I got an LL $100 bill, so I'm going to save that. All right, guys, be right back at you. Okay, and here's the final thing I have for you. If you're like me, you struggle with the storage of display boxes. Now often there's a beautiful 5-ounce Britannia, huge packaging on that. There are some Germanias. What I'll typically do is I will take out the coin, especially if it's gold, and I'll store it somewhere else, somewhere safe deposit box, or somewhere well hidden. I'll often vacuum seal that as well using this vacuum sealer of mine. Hold on one second. There it is up there. It's the Food Saver. Works really well for sealing coins, which helps with eliminating tarnish. I'm not sure it does anything for milk spots, honestly, but I do use that to keep them fresh and shiny. But the issue has been what to do with all these display boxes. You know, if you're a collector, or even if you're just stocking inventory to sell, you really, you get a lot of stuff like this, and it takes up a lot of space, and it's also somewhat hard to conceal, especially if you keep the coins in it. So I have been looking for a solution, and since I'm moving again, I thought this would be a good time to explore trunks. Okay, so I picked this trunk up at a screaming deal. Just one second, let me show you the deal here. This is a rigid trunk, so this is not one of those cheap dorm trunks that are just made out of paper and God knows what. This is a really, really beefy trunk. And I was able to pick it up for about $100 out the door as a factory second. This is the Rhino. Did I say rigid? I'm sorry, I meant Rhino storage trunk. This one's 32 by 18 by 14, and it apparently is beefy enough to stand on, and you certainly could stack them as well. So this was a screaming deal. I'll put a link to it on eBay as well. This one is supposed to be a factory second. Hold on one second. Okay, this one is supposed to be a factory second, but it looks flawless to me, and I wish you could feel the weight, but it's pretty beefy. That's a solid 20 pounds or something, and good size. Let's take a look on the inside. Notice it has leather straps. Okay, it's reinforced in all points, and it's really beefy. It also locks. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, check out the construction on this thing. Has a hinge. Okay, nobody's going to get hurt on this. And solid wood on the inside. Really beefy. Now, I wouldn't put, 200 pounds of bullion in something like this, but for these display boxes, I think this could come in really handy. And if you have a bunch of stuff like that, you could even stack these somewhere. Again, removing the metals, right? Put those somewhere safe. But display boxes are kind of like the bane of a collector's existence. So I thought you might be interested in this. The other good thing is it comes with wheels. I did have to pay extra for the wheels, like 25 bucks or something. But I definitely wanted these. And they have their own patented methodology on these. So you just insert them into, you just insert them into these clips here. Again, really beefy, secure wheels. I mean, if you did want to put bullion in here, I think it could probably sustain the weight. And then you can wheel this around. There's two of these wheels to go in there. Looks like there's a locking mechanism as well. So nice and beefy, nice American-made product. And it might just do the trick. For some of those annoying display boxes that you don't know what to do with. Okay, guys, thought you'd appreciate that. See, look at this, won't even close slowly. Very secure. This one does not look like a second, so check it out for $100. Boy, I think you could do a lot worse and protect your collection. I know most people go for the plastic and so forth, and I considered that, but if you did put any silver in here, I don't really want to store things in plastic. I think it creates humidity. So I was looking for wood storage, and nothing like a steamer trunk, man. Yeah, that's not going to make your coins sweat or anything, right? So what do you think? All right, I'll put the link below. You guys take care.